Bro, let people join, bro. Today is not a good day. I'm not starting the stream with a good mood today. Let people join. Let me adjust my chair. Hello, Unc. Look at the first message we see. Hello, hello, what's up, brothers? What's up? Today is not a good day. If you guys saw the thumbnail, it's not a good day, bro. Today is National Shame Day for me. Tier 1 Gooner, hello. Raman, bro, chill. आज वो लेके रहना है जो लास्ट संडे लॉस्ट किया था. Exactly, brother. For those people who don't know, we are no longer a knight. As shameful as that sounds, bro, we are no longer a knight. After my absolutely ass performance in the last contest, Leetcode thought that this asshole does not deserve to hold that knight badge. We are no longer a knight, bro. I'm no longer a knight. Saturday gooning to Leetcode questions. Like, come on, brother. Today is not the mood of all this shit. Ever since I got to know that I'm not a knight, I've been pissed off, brother. And the fact that, what if, see, I am on the exact border of becoming a knight. Hari bol, bro. I'm on the exact border of becoming a knight again. But what if I lose even more rating today? मैं वो दे नहीं पाया contest काफी time से due to typhoid. Okay, Dipin Grover, bro, guess what? You're back to the hellhole today. All the best. Let's lock in exactly. See, Rohit Singh with that laughing emoji, brother. You do know that karma exists, right? And honestly, fair. The point is, I deserve to be laughed upon today. That's why I've kept that thumbnail, bro. I deserve to be laughed upon today. The fact that I lost the night badge, I never thought I'd do that. Did you try that tower research problem you've posted in Discord? Maybe some platform has that problem to solve. Yeah, bro, I saw that you disproved my intuition. That's correct. You were right, Sarthak, bro. You're always right. I'm always wrong. But I didn't try it after that. I would. 3x4 today? Not at all, bro. I don't think so. Did you please? Yes, sir. I know you will become guardian. This is what we like, bro. We like people like NKF hyphen Prashant 69. This is what we like, bro. We like positivity rather than laughing at me. Let's lock the fucking bro. Exactly. 4x4. Okay, that's a bit too optimistic for a person like me. But yeah. ऐसे shit mat bolo bhai. Watch it, bro. Watch it. I'm giving contest today. I'm also gonna join you. Adesh, you give contests every weekend. What are you talking about? I'm also not 100% sure if my solution is correct. इसलिए try करना था. Okay, bro. I didn't try it. I didn't try it. Current contest rating 1387. How do I improve? Solved around 168 question. Bro, I'm not the person for DSA advice. Did you not see what I... Okay, bro. For the people who don't know what I'm talking about, hold on. For the people who don't know what I'm talking about or who didn't watch the last stream or... I posted a short, bro. Let me give you a recap of what happened. Okay, it's visible, right? Let me reduce my size. Look at what happened. What happened the last stream? This is me in a podcast. By the way, I did a podcast for those of you who are interested. I'll show it again. But yeah, this is look at what I'm saying here. Look at what I'm saying here.
Honestly, these are the first two questions. I don't think so. They're even. I wouldn't even call them questions.
So I'm making fun of the first two Leetcode questions. And guess what, bro? God heard me and I got karma in the exact next contest. Look what happened in the exact next contest. I need to reduce the volume because the song is not the most family friendly, but yeah.
फट गई गंडिया गंडिया मेरी
Look
गंडिया
at me.
मुझको दर्द हुआ है फट गई मेरी गंडिया
Bro, I deserve this.
फट गई गंडिया गंडिया मेरी गंडिया चारों
Yeah, I honestly I deserve this. 100%, bro. I deserve this. Hi, bro. Hello, bro. What's up? Bhai, you are legit my inspiration for real, bro. I would advise you to choose better idols, bro. I don't think so. Like good enough to become somebody's inspiration. May I know your company where you place only if you are comfortable to share its ion. Last reaction crazy. Yeah, bro, sure, bro. Oh shit, the contest is about to start. Bro, let's hope today's contest goes good, bro. Let's hope today's contest goes good. Hello, bro. Hello, bro. Don't be sad. This contest will increase your rating by negative 50. Look at contest worst trying to be funny, brother. Brother, like, bro, what do I even say? You know what? I'll I'll, I'll respond with my performance. That sounds so corny. I'll respond with my performance. Today we are gaining rating. It's gonna start in 1 minute. Let's register. Got it. Okay, we are registered. Yeah, all kill this week. Let's go. All kill or nothing. I'm not sure about that, but let's hope, bro. What is that thumbnail? Ria Verma. Honestly, if you're not aware of the fact I've lost my night badge, and I think I need to be publicly humiliated for that stupid shit I've done in the last contest. That's why I've kept that thumbnail, bro. I deserve it. I deserve it 100%. So how do you pen and paper when online? No way without being cheater. First of all, who the hell are you calling sir, bro? Who the hell are you calling sir? Block the haters here. We just need positivity. Yes, sir. We just need positivity. It's gonna start in 30 seconds. Let's pray to God. I gain my night badge again today, bro. Let's pray to God. 5 seconds prayer that I gain my night badge again. Please, God, forgive all my sins. I'd stop doing every path that I do. Let's hope we gain our night badge again today. You must have mastered binary search. I did not. I did not, brother. I did not. Oh, okay. It has started. All the best to everybody, bro. All the best to everybody. All the best. Why can't I fucking join? Okay. Let's go, bro. All the best. This or nothing. Either I gain my night badge again today, or I stray farther away from it. And the question won't load. Minimum swaps to move 0 to end? What the fuck, bro? Minimum operations to make arrow? Modulo alternating? Yo, modulo question? Bro, please don't be a modulo inverse question, bro. I would quit. And the question won't load. And the question won't load. Wow. Bro, pinch of fairness. And the question doesn't load. Congrats. 404 not found. Nginx. Wow. Oh, okay. Minimum swaps to move zeros to end. Let's go, bro. Good luck to all. Wait, it didn't load yet. It didn't load yet. Okay. In one operation, you can choose mswap namzai return an integer denoting the minimum number of operations to the end of the array. Bro, the code editor has not loaded. Where do I code? Leetcode is doing everything they possibly can so that I don't gain my night badge again. Okay, here it is. But we gotta be fast today. Nums I equals to 0, z plus plus. In answer equals to 0 while number of zeros exist. If nums of ITR is not equals to 0, answer plus plus and z minus minus and ITR minus minus. Return answer, bro. I wrote some logic. I hope it's correct. This question can be tricky. This question can actually be tricky, bro. It's not as easy as it looks. And the test results won't load. So I'm not gaining my badge again today. One operation you can. Let me just review my code up until then. I'm counting the number of zeros. So we're getting 2, 1, and 0. Fair. While z is greater than 0. ITR minus minus. Please. 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 Please, I hope I didn't make any silly mistake, bro. Yeah, it won't show me the result. Shall I just move to the next question? Let's try loading the next question. Until then, nothing will happen. Neither my result will come out. Gateway timeout. Yeah, good. I mean, what's good about it? It's just the first question. The second question won't load. Bro, it's modulo question. I'll actually, if you guys watch my stream, you know I can't solve modulo questions, bro. That, especially that modulo inverse bullshit. We can't load. Like now, who's responsible if I don't regain my night badge today, bro? Who's responsible? Me or Leetcode, bro? Like this stupid site, it's not even loading the question. Who's responsible for this shit now? Bro, did it load for you guys? Man, where do I get that extension? Bro, it's from my GitHub. Go to my GitHub. भाई मैं लीड कोड छोड़ रहा है इनसे वेबसाइट नहीं संभल रही exactly like I can't load the question. How will I just need 5 fucking elos and I'll gain my badge again, but I guess I won't even be able to gain that. Controversy driver भैया के बारे में, who's that? Controversy driver. Gateway timeout side down. Nope, not even one. Same. मैंने first submit भी नहीं किया अभी तक. Yeah. Well, honestly, we need to start a oh. Did it load? Bro, for those of you who couldn't, whose site is not opening, at least you can see the question from here. You're given an array. In one operation, you can increase or decrease every element of nums by 1. An array is called if there exists 2 distinct integers x and y. Okay. Return the minimum number of operations to make nums modulo alternating. So I might. Okay, nums length is just 100. We can just brute force this shit. But what do we even do in brute force? One operation, you can increase or decrease any element of nums by 1. Increase or decrease. Oh, this shit is brute forceable. Okay. 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 One alternating should be the same. Every even index should be same and every odd index should be same. Int okay. Even mod. Like equals to 0. Okay. Yeah, this question is not straightforward. Let's create a map. What is the value of k here, bro? K goes till 100. K goes till 100. Even mod. even mod frequency. It is of size k from 0 to k minus 1, and initially it's all 0. For int I equals to 0, I less than nums dot size I plus equals to 2, or even index, right? Yeah. Int mod equals to nums I percentage k, and we just do even mod frequency of that mod plus plus from j equals to 0. Now same for odd mod. Okay. Yeah, this question, I don't think so there should be issues in solving this question unless I fuck up something stupid. Odd mod frequency, same logic but just for the odd indices. Equals to 1. Odd mod frequency. Yeah, now what? Mm, even frequency in, bro, I'm writing stupid code again. For int le of, not int le, and I equals to 0, I less than even mod frequency dot size I plus plus, if even mod frequency of that I is greater than our even frequency, then we'll say even frequency equals to that shit, and 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 we would want mm, even mod equals to that index. Fair. Do the same for odd one. So am I overcomplicating this? 100%. 100%. I'm doing that. Odd mod frequency. Odd mod frequency is greater than O frequency. Then O frequency becomes that, and odd mod. Okay. Now I less than nums dot size I plus equals to 2. Int cmod equals to nums of I percentage k. If cmod is not equals to our even mod, then we have to change it. How much do we have to change it? We can either increase or decrease. So yeah, this is the calculation that actually matters. Bro. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 can become 1. 5 minus 3 is 2. 1, 2. So to make, you can minus 1. Yeah, it's going to be P. Hold on, bro. This is where I'm getting confused. Yeah. So by increasing, if you increase P, Let's say if it's 3, we want to make it 1. Or, yeah, let's change it now. Let's change it. 5. This is where I always get confused. 7. If it's still 8. If you want to make 5 1, you can add 1, 2, 3, and 4. Or you can 1, 2, 3, and 4. Subtract 4, add 4. Okay, fair. That was not optimal. You can 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Subtract 5 or 1, 2, 3. Add 3. You want to add 3. Right. To make 6 1 or to make 1 6, you can do their absolute difference. Or what you can do is k plus 1 minus current 1. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 1 is the absolute difference between them. 6 minus 1 is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Absolute difference. What is the other thing, bro? Yeah, what? I'm fucked. This is the absolute difference. Or else minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. 1 minus 3 equals to minus 2. 1 minus 3. 0, 7, or 6. 1 minus 3 is minus 2. Bro, I need to focus. How do I? Yeah, I'm dumb as fuck. This is going to be k minus I. I can't do cyclic calculations. 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 You know what? Int a equals to absolute difference of c mod minus even mod. While c mod is not equals to even mod c mod minus minus, and you can say b plus plus. Ops plus equals to minimum between a comma b. Right, do the same shit for odd one. I equals to 1 if c mod is not equals to odd mod odd 1 plus 3. Yeah, that's not gonna work. Oh my, how can I mess this up? You can either take the absolute difference or you can take 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. To go from 1 to 6, you can either go that way or left way. equals to 0, k goes till 100. X is not equals to even mod x plus plus if x is equals to k, x equals to 0, and a plus plus to c mod Oh, I wrote such a bullshit logic, but this should actually work. This should actually work. Bro, I don't deserve the night badge. Yeah, fair, bro. I'm ass. I'm ass. Odd mod. I don't deserve the night badge. Fair, bro. Fair. And we get a goddamn TLE. Got a goddamn TLE. So we're getting 2 for the second test case. We're getting two distinct integers. It's talking about distinct. Yeah, weird part. Weird part. It's talking about distinct. Hmm. Mod frequency. Mod frequency. Hold on, I think I have an idea. Hold on. Mod frequency minus minus. If mod frequency of I, mod frequency of I is greater than even frequency, mod frequency even mod equals to I. Now the same thing, if mod frequency of I, if that is less than odd frequency, then odd frequency equals to mod frequency of that bullshit, and and odd mod equals to I. What? Bro, if this works, I am the smartest human alive. 4 4 1428 1428. So if we turn out the modulo, अगर नेगेटिव है तो मैं ऑड मोड ले रहा हूँ ना. हाँ फिर 4 कैसे आ गया 1428 and k is 3. So 1 1 2 2. 1 और 2 आ रहा है, 1 और 2 आ रहा है, घटेगी 0 आएगा, इसकी फ्रिक्वेंसी एक बढ़ेगी, एक घटेगी, इसकी भी 0 रहेगी। इसको भी 1 बनाओ। We're fucked. We're fucked. Another day. I don't deserve 100%. Let's go performance mode. I don't deserve. If they are the same frequency, 1 1 2 2. So see out even mode. Odd mode. Calm down, brother. Calm down. Life's much more than lead coding. What are you doing? Life's much more than lead coding, bruh. Chill. Life's much more than stupid lead code, bro. You're still incorrect. Still incorrect. Let's keep it with. I need to think it, bro. People are laughing at me in the chat. I know. I know. Just 898 people. What? Just 898 people have done this? Okay, this is a good question then. What am I crying about? I thought this is like 10k people have done it. Okay. And I'm very close to solving it. So I need to like pat myself up, bro. You know what? What is needed? To rewrite the whole solution from scratch. This is not a tough question. The only bullshit part is implementing it. Hold on. So you want to find out the modulo. So you know what? Let's keep to priority queues. PQ, which stores frequency with mod. Priority queue. It's min heap. It's max heap. Priority queue is going to make up a pair of int int. Okay. I can't fucking type. What? Pair of int int. It's going to be stored in vector of pair of int int max heap for pair int int. Let me just see the syntax once. Oh yeah, Pair of intent. Yeah, that's correct. Okay, that's it. Fair. PQ. Even. PQ. Do the same for odd one. Odd PQ. Odd PQ. Okay, fair, fair, fair. What am I crying about, bro? It's not an easy question. Foreign. I first of all rename this to ARR. Only gay people use nums, bro. ARR dot I less than ARR dot size I plus equals to 2. What a solution! What a solution! What a solution! Never mind, we're gonna do it. Vector of pair of int even f. It's going to be of size k, initially filled with zeros. The same shit. Do it in a single loop, brother. Do it in a single loop. This is going to be odd frequency I plus plus. If I is odd, if I and 1, then int mod equals to error I percentage k. If I is 1, then odd f of that mod plus plus, else even f of that mod. Oh, it's hot as fucking belly. Now what you do is I less than k I plus plus even frequency of I even pq dot in you insert in a priority queue, right? Push. I am forgetting everything about DSA. You push the frequency, which is a, comma, the number itself. What a stupid ass question. Odd PQ dot push the frequency, which is b, comma, the number itself. Okay. Odd mod equals to -1, even mod equals to -1, while odd mod or even odd mod is not equals to -1, is actually equals to -1, or even mod equals to -1. Why? Oh, just to say, oh, mm, okay. So I separated them. Now, yeah, the point is I now need to figure out odd mod is -1, even mod equals to -1. So you need to pick brother, 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 brother. Brother, brother. Oh my god, this question is so ass. So I have frequencies of mods. Now I want to pick up the highest frequency for even. Hmm, int odd max equals to -1, even max equals to -1. If even PQ, how is that possible? The size is nums dot length is 1. This bitch question is going to fuck me. Yeah, I need to find a better way to solve this, brother. I need to. This is not a tough question at all. All of this is implementation. So you want to find the maximum frequency of modulo. Yup. There, int frequency people. No, I want to. Can do this, right? Yeah, that's okay. Let's do this then. Priority q stores a pair of int, comma x. Okay, now what is this x? This x itself is a pair. Oh, this question is biggest brain rot question. This is actually a car. PQ. PQ stores frequency mod even slash odd for int LEF. Beautiful and sleep. Vector and O frequency of k comma 0 k comma 0. Mm, what a insanely stupid question. If I okay, now what you do is I less than error I less than k I plus plus uh, int a equals to O frequency of that I, right? And then we do pq dot push a pair that itself has a second pair on its end. The first thing is frequency is a. The second thing is the I, comma, and this is even, actually e. Okay, fair. Stupid ass question. Int b equals to, oh, this is odd, sorry, odd. Int b equals to even frequency of I, and pq dot push your the frequency and I comma same thing but even. Fair, fair. Now int even mod equals to -1, odd mod equals to -1. Now our condition is जब तक pq is not while pq is not empty or and and what the hell pq empty नहीं है और pq empty नहीं है और even mod equals to -1 or odd mod equals to -1 ऐसा है कुछ int frequency I found pq dot top dot first int int mod equals to pq dot top dot second dot first. What am I doing with my life? Okay, now int car not sorry car c equals to pq dot top dot second. You know what? If they are the same frequency, if a equals to b, don't push for the odd one. Fair. If even mod equals to -1, then you can just say if car equals to even, ठीक है, and even if even mod equals to -1, then you can say even mod equals to that mod. Fair. If odd mod equals to -1, odd mod equals to mod, ठीक है. No, that would things up, that would things up, bro. Bro, this question is why this question is crazy, bro. What did you guys do it? Bro. People are spamming in the chat. What? ठीक है. अब else if mod is not equals to odd mod, then even mod मतलब even mod is already set. अगर if mod is not equals to odd mod, then even mod equals to mod. Mod is set. if and mod is not equals to, this question will fuck me. Even mod equals to -1, then you can just say please work, bro, I beg you, please work. For int I equals to 0, I less than error dot size I plus plus. I am already dead, bro. Int c mod equals to error I percentage k. Now if your c mod, first of all, if I is odd and c mod equals to is not equals to odd mod, int a equals to 0, ठीक है, c mod को आपको odd mod बनाना है. While x is not equals to odd mod, x plus plus, if x equals to k, x equals to 0, a plus plus, and b equals to 0, int y equals to c mod y is not equals to odd mod y plus plus, if y equal y minus minus, sorry, so y equals to k minus 1, b plus plus, ops plus equals to min a comma b. Okay, okay, I feel like we're getting somewhere. Else if I and 1 equals to 0 and c mod is not equals to even mod, same shit, but even mod, I deserve to be hanged. Return ops, return ops, what's the problem now? अबे पॉप भी तो करना है, पॉप भी तो करना है, पॉप भी तो करना है. eq dot pop, output is 1, cout even mod or mod. Imagine if I still do one question in today's contest. Imagine even mod इसने 4 and 8 के साथ 1 और 2, 1 and 2 is even, 1 and 2 is also odd. Output is 1. How is output 1? तो odd mod उसने 2 ले लिया, ठीक है. What is my code doing? Bro, bro, I chill, chill. The same shit happened in the last contest. 5,000 people have solved it. I still can't for every even index. Hold on, hold on. So we want to try to find the modulo that comes maximum. Hmm. I need to think about it. Please think, whether you can still do it, bro. Please think. You're given an array nums and an integer in one operation you can increase. Now the point is, सारी even index पे एक बारी 1 आ रहा है, एक बारी 2 आ रहा है. Choose any if they are. सारे odd index पे एक बारी 1 आ रहा है, एक बारी 2 आ रहा है. Choose the one which is not chosen on even index. An array is called even mode, odd mode निकालने में ही मेरी फट रही है. मैं क्या कर रहा था? फ्रीक्वेंसी ये वाला नंबर hold on, bro, hold on. I need to solve this. You can increase or decrease any element of nums by one, and array is called. The question states the issue that's arising is you want to find the modulo that comes on even indices and is of maximum frequency and is not equals to your odd modulo. First, choose the modulo that has the maximum frequency. Okay, I don't think so. We need priority queue. We can keep it very simple. Yeah, I don't think so. We need priority queue. We don't. I need to keep it very simple. I'm overcomplicating things. Please, everyone can do it. Chill. Now, for int I equals to 0, I less than k, I plus plus. Max frequency equals to minus 1. If even frequency is greater than max frequency, then you can say max frequency I and even mod equals to I. अगर अब even mod -1 है जो सेट नहीं हुआ, run the same loop and uh, I is not equals to odd mod. Even mod. Now what's the issue? I added an extra. Oh, I need to add another. Output is 1. Output is even पे आ रहा है आपका 1 और 2 आ रहा है, ठीक है, एक एक बार आ रहा है। ऑड पे आ रहा है आपका 1 और 2 आ रहा है, ठीक है। आपने वहां पे 1 ले लिया, वहां पे 2 ले लिया, ठीक है। अब बेवकूफ, आउटपुट 2 आना चाहिए ना। Let's choose x equals to 1 for even indices and y equals to 2 for odd indices. That is working correctly. एक बारी माइनस करा, वो प्लस करा, एक ऑपरेशन, ठीक है। Bro, कुछ भी हो जाए, I'm solving this question. कुछ भी हो जाए, I'm solving this question. I'm solving this question. To make error I to make error I equals to make error I equals to what? "32 minutes before I die." 32 minutes before I die, bro. See out error I to make C mod equals to this is odd mod. See out min a comma b. But what is wrong with me? Why have I become so 1 2 and L? Like, where am I making a mistake? 4. The number is 4. So it is odd index. We want Now every odd index 2, ठीक है? अबे तो बहन 2 C mod is not equals to even mod. ये 2 को क्यों नहीं चेंज कर रहा? अबे ये 2 को क्यों नहीं चेंज कर रहा? 2 को भी तो चेंज करो, प्लीज कर दो यार. 4 to make 1. 2 को भी तो चेंज करो, 2 को क्यों नहीं कर रहा? ऑड है. What? C out C mod. Where am I going wrong? Where am I going wrong? पहले का where am I going wrong? Can somebody kill me? Can somebody kill me? Let's separate this out into 2 different loops. This loop will only handle the odd cases. For int I equals to 1, I plus equals to 2. If C mod is not equals to odd mod, that's it. This ship dies here. Okay? Fair. I plus equals to 2. If C mod is not equals to even mod, that's it. We're gonna solve it, brother. We're gonna solve it. What am I even see outing? Even mod equals to C mod equals to, please. Sorry God, please. Sorry God, bro. Oh, we're getting 2 answers now. Wait, hold on. We're getting 2, we're getting 1. Hold on, the answer is coming out to be correct now. I might get a TLE with the way I'm calculating shit, though. So 2 and 1. If I get a wrong attempt, we can't cry. We have just 26 minutes. Rewrite the entire code. Rewrite the entire code, bro. Rewrite the entire code. first write comments over what you even want to achieve, bro. What you even want to achieve. So we want to find the max frequency modulo for even and odd indices if they are the same, if frequency. Hold on. So we can, yeah, for every modulo, yeah, I got a wrong attempt. I got it. I got it. Bro, do. Nah, hold on. Numbers of 5 percentage K. No, bro. Okay, I will rant later. I need to solve this first. If odd hai, if I and 1, if it is odd, if the index is odd, then we can say frequency of that index dot second value plus plus, else frequency of that index dot first value plus plus. Okay, 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 okay. Now what you want is, even की frequency, odd की frequency for that modulo. अब एक ही modulo आप दोनों में choose नहीं कर सकते. Int even frequency equals to -1, odd frequency equals to -1 for I equals to 0, I less than k, I plus plus, int e equals to frequency of I dot first (22 minutes before I die). I need to solve it. I need to solve it. 13, 1 and 89 divided by 3. 89 divided by 3 is, if we take the modulo, 9 plus 8 is 17. 87, 87 and 90. Okay, इसमें दो आ रहा है, इसमें एक आ रहा है. You know what? Should I try to debug my old? Should I try to debug my old approach, bro? Let's just see even mode और odd mode क्या ले रहा है ये. Internal ले रहा है. Oh, it's wrong answer. 20 minutes before I die, bro. ये 11 क्या सी आउट कर रहा है बेवकूफ. अच्छा मिनिमम. अच्छा वो दो दे रहा है. ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. इसमें ब्रो mod 3 695182951 mod 3. odd mod इसने 1 क्यों लिया है. 13 1 है. 89 mod 2 है ना. 1 और 2. टेक्निकली व्हाट इट शुड हैव डन, आउटपुट शुड हैव बीन 1 राइट. या इसका 1 आ रहा है, इसका भी 1 आ रहा है. नहीं 628951 का क्या आ रहा है. इसका 1 आ रहा है. 1 1 एंड 2 आ रहा है. होल्ड ऑन. 89 mod foreign LE foreign LE of your ARR. See out LE percentage 3 percentage K 112. अबे तो आप पहले वाले को 2 बना दो ना. आप क्या कर रहे हो. ये क्या टट्टी मचाई है आपने. पहले वाले को 1 बनाओगे आप. So what's the logic here? Eighteen minutes, 17 minutes. The logic, huh? The logic is there's no logic. So we're choosing modulo. I think uh, I think just bring this here. Does this help in any manner? We're getting output is 1 0 0. Shabash 0. मैं 0 हूँ. मैं ही जीरो हूँ भाई। अब ये जीरो कैसे आ गया? टू वन टू। मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, मेरा कोड मुझे खुद समझ नहीं आ रहा है। इसलिए इसमें वन 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 है। उसने कहा पहले को वन रखते हैं, जो ज्यादा आ रहा है। ठीक है bro, 15 minutes, I gotta write new code, bro. I can't. 15 minutes, 15 minutes, 15 minutes before I lose more rating. What was my approach? Vector int of pair of int frick, is going to be of size k. Initially everything is 0 comma 0. I less than not nouns. If int c mod equals to arri percentage k, if I and 1, then you can just say frequency of c mod dot second, even odd कर रहे हैं हम, plus plus, else frequency of c mod dot first plus plus। जी बिल्कुल। odd mod equals to -1 for int I equals to 0, and even frequency odd frequency ले लो, even frequency equals to odd frequency equals to I less than k, I plus plus. I didn't even see the third question. Hold on, I can do this. I can do this. Now you have the odd frequency and even frequency for every mod. Int ef equals to frequency of I dot first. Int of equals to OnlyFans of I dot second. Now if ef is greater than, इसकी जिसमें ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी है इसको वहां साइन कर दो। ठीक है। if even if even frequency is greater than odd frequency and ठीक है, अगर इवन की ऑड से ज्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी एंड इवन फ्रीक्वेंसी इज ग्रेटर देन इवन फ्रीक्वेंसी, ज्यादा है, ऑड फ्रीक्वेंसी ज्यादा है। 10,000 people have done this. I am thinking in the wrong direction, I guess. आपको मॉड्यूलो निकालना है। इस सब में जाओ ही मत भाई. 10,000 people have done this. That means I'm going in the complete wrong direction. Nouns modulo alternating. Okay. It's just 100. It's just 100. It's just 100, idiot. You know what? Since it's just 100, let me just not even try to find even more odd mod. Oh my god, bro. This is my last hope because I can't figure out the logic. This is my last hope. This is my last hope. This is literally my last hope, bro. Literally my last hope. I don't want to. Let's just take every pair. Let's just take every pair. Let's just take every pair. Disgusting questions require disgusting solutions. For int I equals to 0, I less than k, I plus plus. For int j equals to if I equals to j, continue. Int temp ops equals to 0, int even mod equals to I, comma, odd mod equals to j. Run this logic here. I don't care. Run this logic here. I don't care. Okay. Let's keep ops here. And answer equals to int max. Okay. Answer equals to minimum between ops, comma, answer. This is my last hope. This is actually my last hope. 1, 2, 1. This is actually my last hope. I need to get rid of all couts. I need to get rid of all couts. And if anybody sees the way I'm solving this, bro, people are gonna laugh at me. But you know what? They're gonna laugh at me more if I don't solve this. So I need to solve this. 1, 1, 2. We might get a TLE. If we do, then yeah. Man, just shut the fuck up. You don't deserve even a tiny bit of that night badge. You're given an MX. Can I solve it? Player 1 starts at the, and can move right or down. Their destination is at the bottom right. The player 2 and can only move. Each player must choose a valid path from the respective cell. Top left, bottom left, and can move only right or up. Their destination is the top right cell. A cell is shared if it belongs to both chosen parts. Return an integer denoting the maximum possible sum of all values of shared cells. Dun, 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 dun. Maximum possible sum of all values. Bottom left cell. Okay, it's bottom left. Oh, bro, 2K already solved all. Bro, I'm a disgusting person. Third question is super tough. What did I do with the second question? Bro, hop on Discord, bro. Ask, bro. I was also stuck on question. Bro, look at the constraint. Second, you will use brute force in the beginning itself. I am asshole, bro. You're right. I did it. I just ran brute force in the last case. I ran brute force in the last. What did I do? What is my rank? What is my rank? 15,000. 10K rank. But hold on. Why are there no Indian people in the top today? Generally, it's all Indian people in the top, bro. Is it because there are less cheaters today? And I fucked up today's contest despite there being less cheaters. Look at this. There's no Indian people in the. It's down here, but I quit, bro. I quit. I quit, bro. I quit. I quit. I thought. I genuinely thought I'll be given virtual contest after your stream. Yeah, I use, bro. I genuinely thought that I might get like a comeback today, bro. I did get a comeback, but a COMBACK comeback. That comeback, not a COMEBACK. Why, bro? Why didn't you use brute force chat telling you to still, bro? I didn't see chat. I didn't see. Oh, yeah, yeah. हिम्मत रखो हौसला रखो bro. श्लोक सुमन bro. Thanks, bro. But man, I need to see people's approaches. I need to see people's approaches, bro. You should pay attention. Chat is to help you. Some people, bro. Bro, but the point is, if I look for hints in the chat, it's cheating. That's why I didn't. I did not. Why the fuck was I lagging for the first 20 minutes? I feel like throwing away my cap right now and reveal my hairline, bro. No question loaded in the first 20 minutes. Thanks to SR second question and stream and sort of approach during downtime. I'm so angry, bro. My weekend is ruined. Main thing is problem was solved. No worries. No rating game, bro. Man, sure. Airline reveal for this ass performance rate. See how later, bro. I see one comment here you're making. Shut the fuck up, bro. Shut the hell up. चले जाओ सो जाके खाना खा के. Bro, Scribble, you think I'm in the mood to play Scribble? You think I'm in the mood to play Scribble? Do you think so? Yeah, bro, I was hoping that I would gain my night badge today. I'm gonna I'm gonna you know what? That's life. That's life. You should be mad at yourself. You should see the constraints, bro, at least once. GG, best of luck for tomorrow. Bro, rating will almost be the same. Super chat भेजूंगा तो cheer up हो जाओगे. Nah, bro, you don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do that. 1700s soon. Look at this. What this asshole is saying. 1700s soon. Look at what this guy is saying. And the worst part is, he might not be wrong. I might actually reach 1700. Bro, don't worry. These are the days you make you decide, come back or just cry. You know what? Be a man, don't win this contest. Yeah, you know what? Bro, fuck today. Fuck Leetcode, bro. We be a man, we don't give a shit. It's just a single contest, bro. No matter. If I even reach to 1500 ratings, I don't give a shit. I'll keep grinding, bro. The main issue is that I am not able to give enough time to Leetcode because of my job. But I don't care. I don't care. If my progress before my job was, let's say, 10 rating every contest, now it would be 2, but it definitely would be positive. I don't care, bro. I don't care if I can't. Yo, V underscore T hyphen Z9P with the 20 rupee super chat. Thank you, brother. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I already received it, bro. Thank you. Thank you. But the point I was making is, I don't give a fuck, bro, if I lost rating today. I don't give a fuck. Fuck lead code, bro. Fuck lead code. I don't give a shit. Even if I lost rating today, I honestly I was feeling like quitting, bro. This shit is not for me. But now I don't care. I'll keep grinding, dude. 20 condoms. What is this guy? 20 condoms. खरीद लो अभी आ रहा हूँ. Like, okay. So let's at Agi now. At least be happy making some money out of contest. Keep milking lead code. Yeah. I don't give a fuck lead code. Lead code is not so significant that it can affect my mood. I don't care, bro. All I care is about staying consistent. Learning new techniques. For everybody who don't know, this week I learned sparse tables. Got cooked. Yeah, this guy is saying got cooked, and I can bet on my life this asshole got an all kill. And he's writing got cooked. You were overconfident about lead code contest in the podcast, I guess. I was, bro. I even made a shorts on it, and God gave me karma. Bro. God gave me karma. You look so happy. Did you all kill? Momo's 1410. I hope you're not serious, bro. Because if you are, bro, chill. Bro will get admitted into Nimans. What is Nimans? Question was bit fun. Rating apart minus खाने वाले ऐसे ही बोलते हैं. Yeah, chill. No karma for real demons. Be a demon. Yeah, we don't give a shit. You know what? Now I've learned it. Series ups and downs are part of life. If we zoom out, bro, it's all positive. If we zoom out enough, and in the long term, it's all going to be positive. I don't give a shit. I think bro is in shock, so he's yapping random motivation now. Supreme Cosmos. Yeah, chill. Just apologize and stream to remove that curse. God, I humbly apologize from the bottom of my heart that I respect lead code. I will not make fun of lead code questions. The first and the second two questions since the past two contests. The second question has been fucking me in the ass again and again. I am extremely sorry. I will never be overconfident. Please, in the next contest, let me gain 20 rating. 20 is not much, but just 20 rating, bro. Just 20 rating. I feel like Ansh Bhatia is getting a plus today, bro. Yeah, back it up, Lil, bro. I know how you sucked today. Whether you're not, भाई बस ये streams company ना देख रही हो तेरी. How does it matter, bro? How does it matter? Whether you're not replying, where do you work? Ion. Bro has seen it all and has descended to another level. Yeah. You know what? We don't care. We don't give a shit equals to. We don't even give a damn. Exactly. Looks like you're going to night. Looks like you're going to get your night badge after today's contest. Pradeep thinks that he can trick me into seeing my entrant hub. I know I'm getting a negative. So much negativity in chat today and kar do. I don't know, bro. People might be negative. I don't care at this point. I don't care, bro. I've been getting a bit too negativity, but I don't care. Now see the magic in next contest. Yeah, you got minus. I got minus 19. Bro, I got minus 19. I got minus 19. This was biweekly 183. Pudish G. I got minus 30. I What did we decide 5 minutes earlier? This doesn't matter. This doesn't fucking matter. This doesn't fucking matter. This doesn't fucking matter. If I remove the blur, everybody see, bro. I got minus 30. I once peaked at 1930, but now my rating would be 1815. That is a drop of 115 elo. You know what? It's just a local minima, bro. It will never be a global minima. It's just a local minima. We don't care. We don't care. What's the time? 9:34. The contest has ended. I want to discuss the second question, bro. I want to discuss the second question. Looks like my weak concept is brute force from the last two contests. Exactly, bro. Exactly. It's just stupid ass Leetcode, bro, giving these brute force questions. It should be global minima. Oh yeah, it should be actually. It should actually be global minima. It should actually be global minima so that I never go lower than this. What if night was your global maxima? Like, see this guy. See this guy. Contest will most likely be unrated. Why? 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 What if LinkedIn post crying in corner? What? What are you talking about? Those fucking haters. Pudish raised a lot of lead core contest givers. Yeah. Yo. Thank you, Piyush, bro. Okay. Let's see what bullshit did I do in the second question, and can somebody explain me, bro? How did they do it? Can someone share the second question? Bro, how? And the worst point is, yo, somebody hop onto Discord, bro. Let's hop onto Discord. What's the number 3 cheating, bro? I don't even care, bro. I was not able to solve contest for the first 20 minutes. That saved my ass. If people were able to attempt from the very start, imagine what rating would I have got. भाई मेरे से second ही नहीं हुआ. You know Kamura, bro, मुझसे भी बड़ी मुश्किल से हुआ, bro. Minus 40, my brother. You're my brother. You're my brother. Bro, can somebody hop onto voice chat in Discord, bro? We got Piyush. Okay. Let's discuss the second question. Minus 19.11 code player 1. I saw it, bro. Stop spamming. I saw it. You can stop. Go eat dinner, bro. Thing was just literally brute force. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Fair. Let's hop on to Discord. Bro.
Nobody's there.
Hello.
हेलो
What's up, भाई? कैसे हो?
बढ़िया. ये Q2 का मैं बताता हूँ मैंने क्या किया.
क्या
पहले मैंने एक टेम्प एरे बनाया, उसमें सारे जो भी नंबर थे उनका के से मॉड्यूलो लेके और फिल कर दिया.
हाँ.
है ना. तो ये टेम्प एरे का हो गया. फिर उसके बाद में ये एक मिनिमम वेरिएबल ले लिया जो आंसर का होगा. फिर उसके बाद में एक्स और वाई की दोनों का लूप लगा दिया, क्योंकि एक्स और वाई दोनों 0 से के तक में है. तो सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस बना लिए, और एक्स और वाई जब सेम होंगे वो वाला कॉम्बिनेशन नहीं होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है एक्स और वाई डिस्टिंक्ट नंबर्स है ना. फिर उसके बाद में हर कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ एक्स और वाई के लिए मैंने उनको जो टाइम पहले आया था उनको इवन पोजीशंस पे एक्स टारगेट बनाने के लिए और ऑड पोजीशंस पे वाई टारगेट बनाने के लिए कैलकुलेशन कर लिया. और इसमें मैंने एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस लिया है. कोई जैसे टारगेट 7 था और अपना नंबर 6 था, तो एक वैल्यू 1 आएगी और एक 7 - 1 आएगी 6. तो -1 भी ऑप्शन दे रखा है अपने को यहाँ पे कि +1 कर सकते हैं और -1 कर सकते हैं. तो उसके लिए ये चीज लगा दी कि डिफरेंस निकाल लिया दोनों का एब्सोल्यूट से कि क्या डिफरेंस आ रहा है, और मिनिमम ले लिया कि अपन +1 वाला करेंगे तो फिर डिफ आ जाएगा, और -1 वाला अप्रोच लेंगे तो फिर के माइनस डिफ आ जाएगा।
भाई मैंने सेम तरीके से क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करा है, लेकिन मैं पता है पहले 1 घंटा 20 मिनट मैं ट्राई कर रहा था कि मैं मतलब फ्रीक्वेंसी से खेल रहा था मॉड्यूलोस की। मैंने फिर एंड में लूप ही चला दिया कि सारे कॉम्बिनेशंस ट्राई कर लो आप, इवन मोड और
ब्रो,
ऑड मोड क्लियर।
फ्रीक्वेंसी से खेलना एकदम वैलिड पॉइंट है कि मतलब है ना, स्टार्टिंग में बंदा जाएगा ही कि जो ज़्यादा फ्रीक्वेंसी में होगा उसको उस हिसाब से सेट कर देते हैं एक्स का वैल्यू और वाई
उसी
का।
उसी में तो इतना भाई पिछले 1 1.5 घंटे से उसी में दिमाग खराब हो रखा है। मैं हीप में क्या क्या टपल पेयर सब कुछ स्टोर करके देख रहा, तब भी गलत आ रहा। फिर
ब्रो, जब मैं सॉल्व कर रहा था तब ये ऐसा था, तो मैंने एक कंडीशन अलग लगा दी कि एक्स इज लेस देन वाई, तो उसमें मेरा टाइम वेस्ट हो गया और एक दो
क्या रैंक है भाई?
रॉन्ग अटेम्प्ट आ गए। रैंक मेरी ये
नाइस रैंक
दो
भाई,
ही
नाइस रैंक भाई। यार ये ऑब्जर्वेशन के लिए ना मैंने 1.5 घंटा क्या बोलूँ यार।
हेलो।
कोई बात नहीं भाई, कोई बात नहीं। हेलो।
हाँ।
हाँ भाई, नेवर माइंड भाई, धन्यवाद पीयूष भाई समझाने के
ओके बॉस।
लिए।
स्क्रीन दिख रहा है मेरा पुलिस?
DP भाई एक मिनट, देखते हैं आपकी स्क्रीन दिख रही है? दिख रही है?
एक सेकंड, एक सेकंड, रीशेयर करूंगा मैं, एक सेकंड।
करो भाई करो। किसी का फोर्थ हुआ यहाँ पे ब्रो? सार्थक ब्रो चिल, डिस्कसिंग द सेकंड क्वेश्चन एंड ही इज आस्किंग अबाउट फोर्थ। भाई चिल।
स्क्रीन शेयर किया मैंने, दिख रहा है?
एक मिनट भाई। हाँ भाई दिख रहा है।
देखो, पता है कहाँ गलती की है तुम मेरे हिसाब से, मतलब मैं
हाँ
अपने हिसाब से बता रहा हूँ।
हाँ बताओ।
देखो, ये है पहली बात तो 4 पॉइंटर था, ये
हाँ
5 पॉइंटर नहीं था, मीडियम था।
हाँ,
करेक्ट।
ये भी होता है कि
उसके
सेकंड
बाद
क्वेश्चन ही 4 पॉइंटर और सेकंड क्वेश्चन ही
हाँ
5 पॉइंटर होता है?
हाँ, इसमें
अच्छा
इसमें क्या है ना, एक्चुअली सेकंड क्वेश्चन जो है उतना टफ नहीं होना चाहिए था, तो कुछ ना कुछ इसमें रीजनिंग होगी, हम इतना क्यों जाए आगे। तो
हाँ
सबसे पहले होता है ना, हम ट्राई करते हैं क्वेश्चन को ब्रूट फोर्स तरीके से करने का।
हाँ।
सो लेट्स से हम इसमें ब्रूट फोर्स लगाते अगर, तो क्या होता। अब देखो, जो के की वैल्यू है ना, हमें उससे परसेंटेज लेना है।
हम्म,
तो ऑब्वियसली जो फर्स्ट जो के की वैल्यू है जिससे परसेंटेज लेना है, उससे हमें दो वैल्यूज लेनी है, एक एक्स है एक वाई है,
हाँ
दो निकालनी है अपने को। ओहो, करेक्ट। मान लो अगर हम एक्स और वाई को ब्रूट फोर्स ले लें तो हमें के का 2 लूप लगेगा।
वही तो मैंने एंड में वही करा है
करेक्ट।
यार, दिमाग ही मेरा
हाँ,
खराब है
और
भाई।
इनर एक और लूप लगेगा। अब तुम सीधा ना मेरे हिसाब से क्या करते कि ये क्वेश्चन देखने के बाद सीधा तुम कांस्टेंट देखते। जैसे ही तुम्हें दिख गया 100, तो एन की पावर 4 तो आराम से जा सकते हो ना, वो भी 10 की पावर 8 पड़ेगा, बट ठीक है, एन की पावर क्यू तो आराम से जा सकते हो ना। सो कांस्टेंट क्यों नहीं देखे तुम?
भाई मैं बेवकूफ आदमी हूँ, ऐसे थोड़ी मैं
अरे
बेवकूफ हूँ
नहीं, मतलब
यार।
इट्स लाइक तुम्हें मतलब
इट्स
आगे
लाइक
से
यार
मेरे हिसाब
भाई,
से
मैं बेवकूफ
कांस्टेंट
नहीं
जरूर
हूँ
देखना
भाई।
चाहिए, क्योंकि फर्स्ट ऑब्वियसली पहले तो मीडियम है, हार्ड वार्ड होता तो समझ में आता। बस वही है, जैसे तुम कांस्टेंट देख लेते, सिंपल एक डुअल लोप लगना था। एक्स और वाई की सारी वैल्यू दोनों डिस्टिंक्ट होनी चाहिए, इक्वल नहीं होनी चाहिए, और अपन चेक कर लेंगे कि क्या क्या हो सकता है इसमें। बस वही था। आई थिंक वो तो सबने कर ही लिया है कि अपन कैसे उस पर स्वैप कर सकते हैं, एक सीधा क्लॉकवाइज जाके एक एंटी क्लॉकवाइज पूरा रोटेट करके। बट थर्ड थर्ड बहुत सही क्वेश्चन था।
थर्ड तो भाई पढ़ा
थर्ड
ही मैंने
किए?
5 मिनट यार, 5 मिनट पढ़ा
अच्छा,
तो
हाँ,
मैं।
वो पढ़ नहीं पाए ना भाई, बहुत सही क्वेश्चन था।
भाई क्या रेटिंग
ग्रीडी
है आपकी?
लगाया मैंने तो।
क्या रेटिंग है भाई आपकी?
इसमें रैंक मेरा 1300 है।
और रेटिंग क्या है आपकी भाई?
रेटिंग मेरी शायद 1900 समथिंग है क्या? हाँ, 1900 समथिंग है, लास्ट में कम हुआ है हल्का सा।
भाई see this is how a 1900 person looks like यार। I don't deserve 1900 भाई। क्या अप्रोचेस यूज कर रहे हो भाई, शाबाश है। मजा आ गया।
नहीं नहीं, इसकी इसकी सही में अच्छी अप्रोच है। देखने में स्टार्टिंग में ये लग रहा है मेरे को तो वर्दिट, कौन है अपना वो बंदा वर्दिट नाम से, उसका अप्रोच सुनना था अगर वो आप आए
वर्दिक?
डिस्कॉर्ड पे तो। नहीं नहीं, वर्द इट नाम से है ना उसका,
अच्छा,
अपन इंटरनेट
सार्थक
हब पे
भाई।
देखते हैं।
सार्थक
हाँ
भाई
सार्थक
ऐसे
भाई, उनका सुनना था कि
उससे
क्या रहा होगा अप्रोच।
उनसे अपॉइंटमेंट
मैंने
लेनी
तो
पड़ती है भाई, वैसे नहीं आते।
हाँ काइंड ऑफ बहुत सही, मतलब इसको पढ़ना क्वेश्चन को। स्टार्टिंग में मुझे लगा कि कुछ ना कुछ डीपी वगैरह से करना रहेगा,
हाँ,
बट एट द एंड ये ग्रीडी निकला बाद में जाके,
बीएफएस
तो मैंने
डीएफएस भी
ग्रीडी
कुछ नहीं
लगा
था।
के किया। हाँ
बीएफएस डीएफएस भी कुछ नहीं था।
नहीं कुछ भी नहीं है, ये सिंपल ग्रीडी से हो गया। आई थिंक मेरा रन टाइम भी ठीक आया है, उतना अच्छा नहीं है, और इम्प्रूव कर सकता हूँ मैं, इसे किया नहीं मैंने, इसे रोटेशन एरे मैंने लगाया। हेक्टिक नहीं होना था मुझे कि भाई मैं कॉलम वाइज डालूं, तो ये गलत है, इससे और इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा। कडेंस जो एल्गोरिथम है ना उसको कस्टमाइज करना था एक्चुअली, तो उसको कस्टमाइज करके सिंपल 2 बार कडेंस एल्गोरिथम कॉल
कडेंस
किया,
टू
एक
टू
पे
2D पे कडेंस।
2D पे नहीं, हम एक हर एक रो पे चला रहे हैं, देखो ना एक ग्रिड है, हर एक रो पे चला रहे हैं कडेंस, यहाँ पे है कडेंस अंदर।
भाई आप तो अलग ही लेवल के हो यार।
मतलब इस
बहुत
अच्छा
ज्यादा
क्वेश्चन है,
है।
हाँ, अच्छा क्वेश्चन है, इसे सॉल्व करना देख के तो मजा आएगा, अगर तुम पढ़ लिए होते तो मैं बताता, बट ठीक है, बहुत अच्छा
मजा तो
लगा मुझे
आया
क्वेश्चन
भाई।
ये।
सेकंड क्वेश्चन में आया, सेकंड क्वेश्चन
वो
भाई।
मुझे Q3 में लगा कि इसमें चेरी पिकअप 2 की तरह 2 साइड से आएंगे और 3 वेरिएबल की डीपी होगी, लेकिन फिर
करेक्ट
वो
करेक्ट, मैंने
तीन
भी सोचा
वेरिएबल की
ऐसा,
डीपी
बट
बनेगी
देखो ना
तो फिर हाँ,
ये 1000 जा रहा है।
फिर मेरे को लगा इसमें कुछ प्रीफिक्स सम लगेगा, फिर ग्रिड में प्रीफिक्स
एक्चुअली
सम
इसका
लगाना
क्या था
बहुत
ना, जब
मुश्किल है।
मैंने काफी बार ट्रेस किया, देखो कितना टाइम लगा मुझे, ये भी सबमिट नहीं हो पाया, वरना देखो 20 मिनट के बाद ये पूरा 56 पे जाके हुआ है। तब से सोच रहा था मैं, दिमाग खराब हो गया, बट पता है फाइनली इसमें क्या हुआ कि जो इसके इनर वाले हैं ना, मतलब देखो ये आ रहा है बॉटम और राइट, ये जा रहा है टॉप एंड राइट,
राइट।
तो
हाँ,
ये कोई भी एक ऐसी रो जो वर्टिकल होगी, मैं जूम इन कर सकता हूँ क्या, हाँ, जैसे ये है ना वर्टिकल, हॉरिजॉन्टल पड़ी हुई है रो ये,
हाँ,
तो
हाँ,
कोई भी एक रो को हम अगर सेलेक्ट करें कि तुम दोनों इससे होके जाओ, तो वी कैन से कि तुम जा सकते हो इससे होके, लेट्स से मैं इनसे कहूं कि तुम फर्स्ट रो से होके जाओ, तो ये क्या करेगा, ये ऐसे करके ऐसे जाएगा।
हाँ,
मैं इससे बोलूं तुम भी फर्स्ट रो से होके जाओ, तो ऐसे करके ऐसे जाएगा, तो इट्स लाइक वी कैन आस्क देम ऐसी कौन कौन सी कॉमन रोज या कॉलम्स हो सकते हैं जिनसे तुम जा सकते हो, तो हमें पता पड़ेगा कि वो किसी से भी जा सकते हैं। लेट्स से अगर मैं ये रैंडमली बोलूं कि भाई तुम फोर्थ कॉलम से जाके दिखाओ, ये जो पहला वाला बंदा होगा ये ऐसे करके राइट में पूरा जाके नीचे आ जाएगा, ये राइट में जाके पूरा आ जाएगा। मैं इसको बोलूं कि तुम जो कॉलम है इसमें सिर्फ स्टार्टिंग के 3 -3 0 3 से होके जाओ, ये क्या करेगा, ये पूरा करके सीधा इधर आ जाएगा, ये इधर जाके इधर आएगा, तो ये कॉमन हो जाएंगे। लेट्स से इसी में देखो जो इसका आंसर है 2 -1 3, हम अगर चाहते ना तो इसको -4 को भी इंक्लूड कर सकते, लेट्स से +4 होता, तो हम इसको राइट में ना ले जाके सीधा ऊपर ले जाते और राइट में जाते। तो बाद में मोटिव इसका ये है कि एनी रो एंड एनी कॉलम, एनी सब एरे कैन बी द पाथ, द इट्स ए,
कॉमन बात।
कौन सा बोल रहे हैं ये, इसको कॉमन पाथ
समझ गया
फॉर
वो,
देम टू गेट द
बढ़िया
मैक्स।
एक्सप्लेन करा है।
क्या
बट इसमें
एक्सप्लेन
एक और
करा
चीज है, इसमें पता है एक और चीज है, मैं जब इसको सबमिट किया था ना इसके, ये वाला जो है ना, ये वाला, ये बहुत अच्छा था, मैंने सोचा ठीक है कडेंस लगेगा सिंपल एल्गोरिथम,
हाँ,
बट फिर क्या हुआ ना, इसका आंसर मेरा 4 आया। इस सबमिशन में दिखेगा क्या, हाँ
इसमें
नहीं दिखता, वो टेस्ट रिजल्ट था ना।
कॉमन पाथ है क्या इसमें?
कॉमन पाथ इस वाले में ये है पर्पल वाला। फिर पता है इसमें क्या हुआ, सिर्फ इनर के अगर तुम बाउंड्री एलिमेंट्स छोड़ दो ना, ये बाउंड्री एलिमेंट्स जो है इनको छोड़ दो, तो अंदर के जितने भी एलिमेंट है हम उन्हें सिंगल टाइम ले सकते हैं एक बार। लेट्स से यहाँ पे 1000 होता तो वी कैन पिक इट सिंगल टाइम, लेकिन अगर किसी भी एज में लेट्स से 0th रो लास्ट रो या 0th कॉलम में लास्ट कॉलम में किसी में भी 1000 हो, तो हम उसे हमेशा 2 में लेंगे। 2 में कैसे, जैसे मान लो मेरे को 0 को सिर्फ 0 को लेना हो तो मैं ले पाऊंगा, नहीं ले पाऊंगा। जैसे 1 2 0 1 -1 3 0, अब मैं इसको बोलूंगा तुझे सिर्फ 0 लेना है, तो ये पॉसिबल ही नहीं है, या तो ये इसको इंक्लूड करेगा या इसको इंक्लूड करेगा। तो यहाँ पे 2 केस इसीलिए लगाए मैंने कि जो मैं इनर सर्कल से जो है उसमें से मैक्स निकाल ले रहा हूँ, जो इनर सर्कल है, क्योंकि इनर सर्कल में हम एक को पिक कर सकते हैं, लेकिन आउटर सर्कल से हम 2 को पिक कर सकते हैं, मिनिमम हैज टू बी 2। क्योंकि हम इनर सर्कल से सिर्फ एक को पिक कर सकते हैं, तो मैंने वहां से पहले इनर सर्कल से निकाल लिया। आउटर सर्कल से हम 2 को पिक कर, आउटर सर्कल विल बी, मतलब ऑल इंक्लूड हो जाएंगे ना फिर उसमें, कि आउटर सर्कल में तो 2 ही होने चाहिए, फिर पूरे में भी 2 भी हो सकता है। लेट्स से मैं बोलूं सिर्फ -2 और 1 को ही लो, इन दोनों को ही, तो नीचे से जाएगा -2 1 को उठाएगा, मैं इसको बोलूंगा तो भी -2 1 को लो, तो इसे इधर जाएगा और -2 1 को उठा के ले आएगा। इसीलिए कैडेंस एल्गोरिथम हमें 2 का लगाना पड़ेगा। ये सिंपल 2 का आता है, बताऊं कैसे हुआ ये?
मुझे कुछ
जैसे
नहीं आता
कैडेंस
भाई।
एल्गोरिथम है ना, कि हम बोलते हैं कि मैं या तो करंट एलिमेंट पिक करके, जो मैं पिक करके, लेट्स से मैं कुछ सम पहले से लेके आ रहा हूँ और मैं करंट एलिमेंट को पिक करूं, क्या वो इंक्रीज कर रहा है, या सिर्फ करंट को रखूं तो वो इंक्रीज कर रहा है, तो सेम चीज हो रही है। इसमें सिर्फ हमने 2 एलिमेंट ले लिए,
हाँ
उस करंट को हम पूछ रहे हैं कि अगर मैं करंट वाला इंक्लूड करूं, क्योंकि मैं 2 से चालू करना पड़ेगा ऑब्वियसली, तो क्या मैक्सिमम आएगा, या करंट वाले में पीछे वाला इंक्लूड करो, तो फिर भी हमने 2 ले लिए तो मैक्सिमम आएगा। तो हर बार हम इससे 2 पूछ रहे हैं, तो कैडेंस एल्गोरिथम ये 2 का बता देगा। तो ऐसे करके हमें पता पड़ जाएगा कि भाई एटलीस्ट हम 2 एलिमेंट ऐसे लेंगे ही लेंगे। तो आई थिंक मैंने काफी समझाने में भी वो उल्टा सीधा कर दिया, बट यही है
भाई आप जीनियस
इसका
हो भाई।
क्रक्स।
बढ़िया
भाई
समझाया।
genius है।
बहुत सही था ये।
भाई
जो है ना, ये वाला मेरे को बताया है कि आउटर सर्कल जब भी आप पिक करोगे, जीरो थ्रो या आउटर सर्कल जो भी होगा, तो बाउंड्री मान लो,
हाँ
उसमें तुम्हें 2 लेने ही पड़ेंगे। लेट्स से यहाँ पे अगर हम एक ही एलिमेंट ले तो ये 4 है, समझ रहे हो? अब क्या हम सिर्फ 4 को पिक कर सकते हैं? कोई भी ऐसा तुम्हें लग रहा है पाथ? मैं बोलूं कि ये देखो ऐसे करके ऐसे करके ऐसे आया, मैं इसको बोलूं यहाँ से ऊपर जा और ऐसे जा, इसने इसको ले लिया, ठीक है, हम इसको ऐसे करके भेज देते हैं, यहाँ से यहाँ से यहाँ से ऐसे करके आ, फिर मैं ऊपर जाऊंगा, फिर ये इसको ले लेगा नीचे वाला जाके, तो 2 लेने ही पड़ेंगे। लेकिन अगर यहाँ पे -3 की जगह लेट्स से 3000 होता, तो मैं बोलता यहाँ से ऐसे करके जा, ये एस बना देता मैं, और यहाँ पे उल्टा एस बना देता। तो इनर सर्कल वालों को हम एक एक उठा सकते हैं, बट आउटर सर्कल वालों को विल ऑलवेज टेक इन अ पेयर, एटलीस्ट 2 का होना चाहिए। तो और फिर क्या था कि लेट्स से मैंने यहाँ पे रो की लगा दी, अब मेरे को कॉलम की लगानी नहीं थी, तो मैंने सिंपल रोटेशन वाला डाल दिया कि रोटेट कर दो एरे को। अगर वो नहीं डालेंगे तो आई थिंक इम्प्रूव हो जाएगा और, बट हाँ ऐसे किया। बहुत अच्छा क्वेश्चन लगा मुझे तो
भाई आप
ये अनरेटेड हो जाएगा ना, क्योंकि 20-25 मिनट में तो लोगों का सबमिशन हुआ है, आई थिंक बोल भी रहे होंगे लोग।
हो जाए तो भगवान ने मेरी सुन ली, लेकिन ऐसा होना नहीं चाहिए भाई। आपने इतना बढ़िया सॉल्यूशन दिया है यार, होना
नहीं, हो
चाहिए।
ही जाएगा, लोगों का 20-20 मिनट तक नहीं हुआ है, सब बोल
मैं
रहे
भी
हैं अनरेटेड कर देंगे शायद ये।
मैं भी मतलब
ठीक है
फेक
गाइस।
कमेंट लिख देता हूँ भाई कि मेरे को भी 20 मिनट लगे। अनरेटेड कर दो भाई। भाई लेकिन बहुत बढ़िया सॉल्यूशन, डीपी भाई आप जीनियस हो, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
ब्रो
नहीं नहीं,
क्वेश्चन काफी
इसको
टफ था ये।
हाँ, अरे बहुत ज्यादा ग्रीडी तो मुझे बहुत ही बुरे लगते हैं क्वेश्चंस। आएगा तो क्लिक हो गया तो हो जाता है, वरना वही 6-7 हजार रैंक बीटी।
कौन से ईयर में हो भाई?
नहीं नहीं, लेट इट बी।
लेट इट बी। ओहो चैट, ही वांट्स टू स्टे मिस्टीरियस भाई। क्या बता भाई,
चलेगा,
क्या बता
मैं
भाई।
टीसी करता हूँ।
ओ
बाय।
भाई भाई,
किसी क्वांट फाइनेंस में काम करते हो, वी वुड नेवर नो भाई।
उदिश भाई स्लो डाउन।
सही बात है भाई, स्लो डाउन हो तो रखी है रेटिंग, और कितना स्लो डाउन भाई, अब तो नेगेटिव में जा रही है। कल का कॉन्टेस्ट देखा जाएगा। दैट्स इट यार। कितने बज गए? इट्स 9:50, खाना खाओगे? लीटकोड इज बकवास। थैंक यू पीयूष भाई, थैंक यू ऋषि यूडी। आई लीव दिस, ओके। आप लोग करो कंटिन्यू, कल मिलते हैं ब्रो। इसके सर से ऊपर जा रहा है सब ना। अब प्रदीप ब्रो, हु द हेल डू यू थिंक आई एम? आ गया समझ भाई? नहीं हो रहा अनरेटेड भाई। लेट्स ट्राई टू मेक इट अनरेटेड ब्रो। लेट्स ट्राई टू मेक इट अनरेटेड। शुड बी ना ब्रो, दैट वुड बी आंसर। ब्रदर लेट्स सी भाई, हो सकता है कि रेटिंग ना लगे बिकॉज इसमें टाइम आउट हुआ था। अरे मैंने थर्ड वाले को कटिंग जाल को लगाया, रो कॉलम एक्सेप्ट फर्स्ट एंड लास्ट वाला लगाया। स्क्रिबल पुदीश ब्रो आई डोंट थिंक सो ब्रो। Let's play Scribble tomorrow. If I gain rating, only then I would play Scribble. तेजस्वानी निम्स, ये कौन सा सर्वर है? सर्वर का नाम सर्वर, oh this is my server bro. Join from the description. Join from the description. Hi, hello bro. Yeah, another day. And you know what chat, this is a commitment from my side that until I regain my night badge bro, until I regain my night badge, I would keep myself bald in the thumbnail, bro. I deserve that humiliation. Server name in Discord? No, the link to join is in description. Server name is in description. Okay. Until I regain my night badge, Server, bro, it's in the description. Tejas Vani's 5934. It's in the description. What is he saying? Study room में क्या करते हो? Study room में? What study room are you talking about? Bro, what's your rank? I didn't give today's contest. Subodhi Foldar 3538. I didn't give today's contest. But yeah, also, before I go, if you wanna see the reason why God has been punishing me with all these rating loss that I'm facing. Yeah, no, I'm joking, bro. I'm joking. Just an FYI. If you're interested, you can go check this out. I did a podcast. If you wanna see me yap, I'm doing nothing but yapping in here, bro. I'm doing nothing but yapping in this, right? So if you wanna see me yap, check this out, bro. It's by Sejal Pat. That's it, I guess. कल का contest दोगे? Exactly. देंगे. Until you reach night no cap on stream. Shut up, bro. I don't wear cap. I am wearing cap because I came from Bath, bro. I can remove cap. I can remove cap. I just came from Bath. सोचा था कि तुम्हारी जितनी रेटिंग करूंगा एक दिन तुमको खुद मेरे पास आ रहे हो मैं और नीचे जा रहा हूँ आई चीजें अमित shut. He's not even wrong. He's not even wrong. He's not even wrong. Bro, कितना rank? I didn't give today's contest. I didn't give today's contest. Did anyone think about DP in third? Yeah, never mind. Okay then, that's it. Another day. I don't know when would this end. When would this end? But yeah, let's hope tomorrow's contest is better. 8 a.m. tomorrow. We are gonna gain rating today. Are you coming in the morning, brother? Morning में आ रहे हो ना भाई? Of course, bro. Of course. Even though I hate Leetcode, I won't miss any contest anytime soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.